The 2026 electric passenger auto rickshaw brings a smarter and cleaner approach to daily urban transportation. Built for crowded city roads and short-distance travel, this new generation model focuses on efficiency, comfort, and reduced operating costs for drivers and fleet owners. Its compact body allows easy movement through narrow streets while still offering enough cabin space for passengers. One of the biggest improvements in the 2026 version is the upgraded electric powertrain. The motor delivers smoother acceleration with less vibration and noise compared to older fuel-powered rickshaws. Drivers can enjoy a more relaxed driving experience, especially during long hours in busy traffic conditions. Battery technology has also improved significantly in the latest model. Many 2026 electric passenger auto rickshaws now feature lithium-ion battery packs with longer driving range and faster charging capability. This helps drivers complete more trips throughout the day without frequent charging interruptions. The exterior design looks more modern than previous generations. Stylish LED lighting, improved body panels, and aerodynamic shaping give the vehicle a fresh and futuristic appearance. Some models even include digital branding displays for commercial advertising opportunities. Passenger comfort has received special attention in the 2026 edition. The seating is wider and softer, while improved suspension systems help reduce bumps on rough roads. Better ventilation and larger side openings also create a more pleasant ride during hot weather. Inside the cabin, drivers can now access digital instrument clusters that display battery level, speed, trip data, and charging information. These modern displays make it easier to monitor vehicle performance and improve driving efficiency during daily operations. Safety features have become more advanced in newer electric auto rickshaws. Stronger chassis construction, improved braking systems, and brighter headlights increase driver confidence, especially during nighttime driving or rainy conditions. Some premium variants also include reverse cameras and parking sensors. The running cost of the 2026 electric passenger auto rickshaw remains one of its strongest advantages. Electricity is generally cheaper than petrol or diesel, allowing drivers to save money every month. Lower maintenance requirements also reduce long-term ownership expenses. Charging infrastructure is gradually expanding in many urban areas, making electric rickshaws more practical for commercial use. Fast charging options and portable charging solutions are helping operators manage their schedules more efficiently without long waiting times. The quiet operation of electric motors creates a calmer environment for both passengers and drivers. Reduced noise pollution is especially important in crowded cities where traditional vehicles often contribute to stressful traffic conditions and loud engine sounds. Many manufacturers are also introducing smart connectivity features in 2026 models. Mobile applications can track battery health, vehicle location, and maintenance schedules. Fleet owners can use these technologies to manage multiple vehicles more effectively. Environmental benefits remain a major reason behind the growing popularity of electric passenger auto rickshaws. With zero tailpipe emissions, these vehicles help reduce air pollution in urban centers and support cleaner transportation initiatives around the world. Storage capacity has improved in some newer designs, allowing drivers to carry passenger luggage or small cargo items more conveniently. Additional compartments for personal items and charging accessories make the vehicle more practical for daily commercial work. The lightweight body construction helps improve energy efficiency while maintaining durability for heavy urban use. Manufacturers are using stronger materials that resist corrosion and wear, helping the vehicle maintain its appearance and structural quality over time. The 2026 electric passenger auto rickshaw represents an important step toward affordable and sustainable transportation. Combining modern technology, lower operating costs, passenger comfort, and eco-friendly performance, it continues to become a preferred mobility solution for drivers and commuters in many cities worldwide.